Many of them have said that they had their first dates there actually. It's also been a place where authors have worked on their novels. Many of them are sentimental about, the cafe, the gooey chocolate cake which they used to come for. It was probably one of the toughest decisions that we've had to make, personally and professionally both. We tried very hard to stay on, and as you know, with this global pandemic, so we had to shut shop like everyone else. We're all in the same boat. Keeping rentals, overheads, salaries, everything in mind. As an independent bookstore, the economics was looking very daunting. In our GK branch, which is where we are today, and Nizamuddin, we've been fortunate to have landladies who have waived the rent during lockdown and also agreed to a reduced rent going forward. Because it is, we just don't know what the future holds. We don't know what the present holds. Khan Market has been host to several book events, launches over the years. We've had such endearing children's workshops. For us, it's been our second home, and for many other people, it's been a home away from home. It was just absolutely heartbreaking. It was this place which was once so vibrant and such an important part of the book community and readers was now just, being packed up. You once saw these cartons, you saw the bookshelves empty, the cafe was completely quiet, you couldn't hear a sound, and it was, it just made one, to be honest, just sad. I have said this before, but for us and for me personally, it just feels like you've lost a very dear friend. I think, going forward and even pre-COVID, independent bookstores have been struggling. And I think that, I don't want to sort of harp on about this online sale of books. I think the two can coexist. It's not one or the other. When bookstores were allowed to open, a lot of people realize the value of browsing. It's a different experience which online retail can never replace. We can't compete with online giants. But having said that, I think that a true lover of books will understand the value a book has. So whether it's your local grocery store or your kirana shop or your local bookstore, I think we've all realized, and especially during this pandemic, a lot it's shown us a different reality, how important it is to be supportive, encouraging and understanding at these times, because we've all felt the hurt of what COVID-19 has done.